All right, guys, this is me. It's my last Costa Rica sunset. Yes, my little sloth t-shirt. Look at that. All right, so I am going to record just one last video from here. Yep, super informal. Just a little tribute to my favorite guy, JK. All right, so this is a hardcore track. We're gonna go do teasers and both, and we're just gonna go for it. Who knows what's gonna happen? I may run out of daylight. All right, the sun is setting. It's already officially sunset. All right, here you go. Fall back. Yes. Happy baby.